Welcome to Hard Chrome Solutions, your dependable partner in Hansen Power transmission and gearbox repairs and services. Our commitment is to promptly restore your operations by harnessing the most efficient resources available under one roof. We'll accommodate any size unit, meticulously inspecting all bearings, shafts, gears, and housings for misalignment or engagement issues, and thoroughly assess the root cause of any damage or failure. At our premier gearbox repair facility in the Northeast, we take pride in our skilled team's ability to effectively repair, rebuild, or replace Hansen Sumitomo gearboxes. We stand out from the competition with our on-site gear cutting capabilities, catering to every gear type across all gearbox models. Our advanced equipment, unique to our facility, achieves AGMA standards of 12 to 15, ensuring unparalleled precision and quality. Many clients who have explored other so-called gearbox repair shops advertised on Google ultimately return to us, recognizing our expertise, quick turnaround, and the sense of security that comes from entrusting their critical gearbox repairs to our capable hands. We invite you to experience the exceptional service and industry-leading investment that our team provides. Visit us today and discover the difference for yourself. Discover why so many people trust us for their gearbox needs. We stand behind our work with a comprehensive 36-month full parts and labor guarantee from the day of installation. Our global support network, spanning across Canada, Mexico, and beyond, ensures that our partners receive the best assistance in laser alignments, rigging, fluid systems, pumping, filters, lines, lube oil, heat exchangers, and more. Feel free to tour our facilities and meet our dedicated sales staff at any time during the week to learn more about the exceptional services we offer. You can trust us to deliver the highest level of expertise and support for all your gearbox requirements. Get in touch with us today at 732-895-3225 or visit hardchromesolution.com and experience the difference for yourself.